and holds mug, spices, and the other small items. This is a great way to free up counter space. Use a wooden board and some wooden dowels to create a custom utensil holder that can be mounted on wall. This will keep your utensil organized and within the reach. Make a rolling kitchen cart out of wooden board and the casters. This can be used as extra counter space, a storage unit, or even a small kitchen island. Create a hanging fruit basket using a wooden board and some wire. This will keep your fruit and the counter and add some rustic charm to your home and your kitchen. Another amazing video. Thanks for being here. In our today's video, we are going to show you some do-it-by-yourself wooden kitchen storage ideas. I know these ideas are very simple, but I granted these ideas are so useful and you can try at your home and make your life easier. So let's get started our video. There are many creative and function do-it-by-yourself wooden storage ideas that can try here are some suggestions. Make a hanging portrait out of a wooden board and some hook. This will free up cabinet space and add some rustic charm to your kitchen. You can easily make shelves out of wooden crate that can be used to store kitchen items. Paint or stain the crate to match your decor. Use wooden board to create under cabinet storage. Some other countries with less emphasis on do-it-by-yourself culture may not seen as much popularity for this trend. Do-it-by-yourself kitchen storage ideas can be necessary for some reasons. In many kitchens, storage spaces are limited, especially in a smaller kitchen. Wooden kitchen storage ideas can also help to make your kitchen more wide and clutter-free. By building your own storage solution, you can customize the size and the shape of your storage to fit your specific need. Purchasing pre-made storage solution can be expensive and may not always fit your needs perfectly. By creating your own do-it-by-yourself wooden storage solution, you can save money and have a custom-made solution that is tailored to your specific need. Do-it-by-yourself wooden kitchen storage solution can add a touch of style to your kitchen. Wood kitchen storage can be designed to maximize your space and storage efficiency, making it easier to keep your kitchen organized and tidy. Overall, do-it-by-yourself wood kitchen storage is a great way to save money, express your creativity, and customize your kitchen storage to your specific needs. Do-it-by-yourself wooden kitchen storage ideas are popular all over the world as they provide a cost-effective and customizable way to organize kitchen space. However, the popularity of this fashion and trend may vary depending upon the culture and the regional preferences of the people. In recent years, there has been a growing trend toward minimalism and sustainability. You can go to create custom spice racks that can be mounted on the wall. This will keep your spice organized and within reach while adding some charm to your kitchen. Remember to measure your space and consider your needs before you start a do-it-by-yourself project. With a little creativity, you can create functional and beautiful wooden storage solution for your kitchen. There are several benefits of using wooden kitchen storing ideas. Wood is durable material that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. If properly maintained, wooden kitchen storage solution can last for many years. Wood adds warmth and natural beauty to any kitchen. Wood storage solution can be customized to match your decor and can add a touch of rustic charm to your space. Wood can be cut and shaped to fit any space, making it a versatile material for kitchen storage solution. Whether you have a small or a large one, you can create woodings that meet your needs. Wood is a renewable resource, making it an environment-friendly choice for kitchen storage solution. Additionally, many wood kitchen storage solutions can made from reclaimed and the recycled wood, further reducing their environment impact. Wood storage solution can help you to keep your kitchen organized and clutter free by creating designed space for your kitchen item. You can reduce the time and effort need to find what you need. Wood kitchen storage solution can be easily modified or adjustable to fit changing needs. If you need some more space or different type of storage, by using different type of wood finishes and the hardware, you can create a storage solution that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Creating your own do-it-by-yourself wooden kitchen storage solution can be a fun and rewarding project. You can learn new skills such as woodworking and gain a sense of accomplishment from completing a project that you build by yourself. Overall, do-it-by-yourself wooden kitchen storage ideas can be necessary to help you to make most of your kitchen space, save money, style, and learn new skills. Solution can be adjusted to meet your new requirements. Overall, wooden kitchen storage solution offer a durable, versatile, and aesthetically pleasing option for keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. There are several advantages of do-it-by-yourself kitchen storage ideas. Building your own wooden kitchen storage is often less expensive than purchasing pre-made storage solution. Do-it-by-yourself wooden kitchen storage allows you to create a solution that is tailored to your specific need and the preference. You can choose the size, shape, design that suits your kitchen best. Wooden kitchen storage can be statement piece in your kitchen. Give it a unique and personalized look. Building your own wooden storage can be a fun and rewarding project that allows you to express your creativity and gain a sense of accomplishment. By building your own wood kitchen storage, you can use sustainable material and really has contributed to the popularity of do-it-by-yourself wood kitchen storage ideas. This trend can be seen in many parts of the world, including North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Some regions may have more prevalent do-it-by-yourself culture than others, which may impact the popularity of this trend. For example, countries like United States and Canada have a long-standing do-it-by-yourself culture, and do-it-by-yourself kitchen storage ideas are very popular there. Video. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.